Okay, no worries. Thank you. Yep.
Yep, so just before we continue, I do need to let you know that this call is being recorded for training and coaching purposes. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Also, I myself am not a lawyer, so I won't be able to give any legal advice. However, I can help provide information and referrals to assist. Just to do that, would it be okay if I start with some quick demographic questions?
Would that be psychometric profiling and getting information on my identity?
No, it's just some basic demographic questions.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so can I start with your postcode?
I don't know, actually. I don't know where I am. It's Long Jetty.
Okay, so you don't know where you are located geographically?
Long Jetty. I don't know the postcode. Long
Okay.
Jetty.
Long Jetty.
I'm not from here. The reason I don't know where I am is because Legal Aid have actively obstructed help for 35 years, and I've been forced from my home and in political exile.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. So that's Long Jetty 2261. And how did you get our number today?
Google. Oh, well, I know who Legal Aid is. I just looked you up.
Okay, sure.
Oh, no, hang on. Sorry, it was this. Sorry. It was because I've got a... there's been an interim order, apprehended domestic violence order. Someone threatened to kill me. And there's a court date, and the referral number on the form that they put in my letterbox said to call you for help.
Okay, so just going to check. Did you say that there's an apprehended domestic violence order?
Yes?
Okay, and you're the protected party?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let me see. Can I ask what year you were born in?
1973.
Last date you identify as Aboriginal?
No.
Okay, thank you so much for answering
That's
that
right.
question. Just with being the protected party in the apprehended domestic violence order, is that what you're seeking assistance with?
Yes, currently I'm not safe. The police aren't helping. They said I don't need to attend court, although there's a court date. And I haven't got a lawyer. And I'm exercising my right as a disabled person to get legal aid and as a whistleblower, because I'm a whistleblower.
So can I ask why you need legal aid if you're the protected party in the AVO? Are you what court date do you have?
It's on 14th of May, 2026 at 9:30 a.m.
And where is this at?
Wyong Local Court.
Okay. So are you the protected party on the AVO, or are you the defendant on the AVO?
I'm the protected party. Someone threatened to kill me, and more people have threatened to kill me as well. But the police officer who initially didn't give me the number for the case reluctantly came back when another killer came into the yard, and they've arrested him. And I want to submit some more evidence, but because the police officer didn't give me an ID number, he's now complicit in the cover-up. So he's off. I think he's off. He's been relieved of duties, and I want to present more evidence, but I can't because he's not there.
Okay. So can I ask, you said this was an apprehended domestic violence order. Is it a domestic or a personal violence order?
Just says on the top, interim order, apprehended domestic violence order, Crimes, Domestic and Personal Violence Act 2007.
Okay. And can I ask, you said you have a disability, is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Can I ask what the nature of the disability is?
Well, I've got a brain injury and I've got a mental illness.
Okay. And are you experiencing homelessness?
Well, kind of. I'm trapped here in this accommodation. I'm unable to leave because the government took my car, and I've advertised the address online in order to be saved from the dangerous situation. That was before the death threat happened because I knew it was coming, and they haven't removed me or moved me on. So
Okay, so are you in public housing right now?
no, it's an NDIS property. NDIS property. I've got an NDIS plan,
Okay.
National Disability Insurance Scheme.
Yeah. Okay.
I did tell my provider that the death threat was coming, and it was basically a murder case, and they haven't made a report to the police or the NDIS Quality and Safeguards Commission. That's why I want to go to court because
Okay. And can I ask if you're a refugee or asylum seeker?
Well, funny you should ask. I've satisfied the international criteria for asylum. I've got a case at the UNHCR International Criminal Court as an asylum seeker.
Okay, so are you an asylum seeker?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And how long have you been in Australia?
My whole life, but I am an asylum seeker. I'm internally displaced.
Okay. Let me see what I can do for you. Would it be okay if I just place you on a brief hold?
Yeah, sure, I can wait. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for holding.
Oh, that's all right.
Now, I just wanted to confirm with you, are you able to double check your AVO for me and just
Yep.
see if you're stated as the person in need of protection or as the defendant on there?
Yeah, I'm the person protected. It says here, explicitly says this, you must not go within 100 metres of me or a place where I work. Yeah, I'm the protected one.
You're the protected one. So can I ask what the court date is for?
Yeah, the court date is 14th of May, 2026, next Thursday, I think it is, at 9:30.
And what does it say that it's for?
Well, it says that the person who's threatened to kill me must follow the orders below. It's a criminal offence not to follow the orders. He could go to prison for 5 years and be fined. It's an interim order, apprehended domestic violence order for the person who threatened to kill me. And it's got a court date. It says he has to appear and that I'm the protected person.
Yeah, so it's him that needs to appear in court, is that right?
Well, yes.
On the 14th?
Yes, but
Okay.
but I wish to go.
Okay, sure. And you're wanting to get advice?
Well, I should be able to tell my side of the story. I've got more evidence to give to police, but the police officer who initially I reported it to didn't give me an incident number, and because he didn't, there was no case. And then someone else came and threatened to kill me, and I called them again, and then they finally gave me an incident number, and I've just received this notification today. I called the domestic violence liaison officer at the police station, and she said that the officer who took my complaint is on leave, and she's not sure when he'll be back.
Okay. All right. Now, thank you for clarifying that and sharing that with me. I am just going to see, what I can do is I can book you in with legal aid for a one-off phone consult.
Yep.
This would be around the 12th of May.
12th of May, is that before?
Before,
two
yeah.
days
So you
before,
said the court date is on the 14th, so I can book you in for the 12th.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm just going to need to complete a form for you.
Yep.
Now, can I start with your first name?
Baron, B for Bob, A for Apple, R for Roger, A for Apple, N for Nelly.
So it's B Bravo, A Alpha, Romeo, A Alpha November.
Yes, that's right.
Baron. And your last name?
Dodger, D for dog, O for orange, D for dog, G for grape, E for egg, R for Roger.
Okay, so Delta, Oscar Delta, Golf, Echo Romeo.
Oh, I can't think that quick.
That's okay.
D-O-D-G-E-R, Dodger.
Right, and you were born in 1973, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. I can see that we have you on our file here. Are you able to confirm your email address and mobile number for me?
Well, my email address is not working because I haven't got no money to pay the bill. That's part of the difficulty I face, but it would be richarddrawstuff@gmail.com or barondodger@gmail.com. And also I changed my phone number to try and escape the death threats. So the old number is not working. I can give you I can confirm the old number or give you the new number.
Yeah, you can confirm the old one and then I'll take the new one.
I think it was 0431. I can't remember now. 0431. It ends in 907. I remember that. Would that be right?
I have something ending in 524.
It might be in my phone. So I keep having to change my number because of these constant threats.
Yeah.
My new one's 0431 300 940.
0431 300 940.
Yes.
Okay, and were you in Sadler previously?
Sadly in New South Wales. Yes, I was. But I was forced to leave there by the police and an NGOS company. I was forced to live in my car where an assassination attempt occurred, and I'm pretty distressed about the whole thing.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Yeah, no, that sounds quite.
I can confirm the address. It was, I think it was 3A Warrego Street in Celia. That's me.
Yeah, and can I have your new residential address?
Yeah, so the new one, which I advertised for someone to save me from, I'm still trapped here. It's 55B, Archbold Road, I think it is. ARs, I'll just have to look it up later. It's 55B, Archbold Road, Long Jetty, the ARCHBOLD.
Okay, so it's 55B and then it's Archbold, ARCHBOLD.
Yes, that's correct. Yep, Long Jetty, that's correct. I don't know the postcode. Like I said, I'm not from here.
That's okay.
I'm from Victoria.
Oh, okay. That's all right. Can I also have your date of birth?
8th of April, 1973.
8th of April, 1973. Okay.
I'm pretty scared because as it stands, I'm an internally displaced refugee, and I've got a case with the ONHCR, the International Criminal Court, and I'm entrapped in this property. The government took my car, and I've got no money because I'm financially targeted. So I'm a bit, and I've been trying to get help for a long time, and I haven't been able to get that help.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. Let me see what we can do for you today.
Thank you.
Just so you can get the assistance needed.
Yeah.
Now, I just need to complete this form for you.
Yep.
Would it be okay if I place you on a brief hold while I do that?
Sure, I'll be patient. I've got all day. I'll just be patient. Thank you.
Yeah, that's okay. It won't be long. Thank you so much for holding.
That's all right.
I just wanted to come back and let you know that there was a slight technical glitch, which took some time. So I was just consulting with a colleague. I'm just going to complete your
How's it? Was it?
Yeah. I'll just complete your booking.
So some weird noise in the next room. Sorry, what was that?
Yeah. Sorry, so I just was saying that I had to consult with a senior colleague due to a technical error, but that's done now, so I'll just complete your booking.
Okay, no worries. What was the technical error? Was it something to worry about, or?
No, it's fine. It's just something that occurred on our end, but it's taken care of. Now, I just wanted to check. It does show your address as Goulburn. Do you want me to update that for you?
Yes, please. I had to leave Goulburn because, well, it's a long story. I was trapped there. I've already left one property because of an entrapment scenario where a girl was harbouring a fugitive who threatened me, and they put me in this property to keep me safe. But now they're ignoring the death threats. But now, of course, there's the court date of the death of the arrest, and I'm trapped here. And there's no report or anything. I can't go to police. I don't know what to do.
No, I understand. So I'll just change it to the Longjetty address.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, change the Longjetty.
Okay, no worries. Thank you so much for confirming that. I'll just place you back on hold, if that's okay for now.
Thank you. Is it significant that it's had to go to a senior member at Legal Aid?
No, it was just something because I wasn't able to sort it out.
Okay, no, yeah.
I was just checking with them, but it's all good. Okay? I'll just place you back on hold if that's all right now.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for holding again, Darren.
That's all right.
One thing that I forgot to ask you was the name of the other party.
Yep.
First and last name.
Sure. It's Tory, Tory.
Yep.
Kilborn, Kilborn.
Okay, and is this a male or a female? Tory,
male.
Female?
Male.
Male, okay. And do you know his date of birth?
It might be on here. I'll just look.
If you don't, that's okay.
I'll just have a quick look. It might be on here. I think it had his details on here, which is I've got his address.
No, that's okay. I'll
No,
just confirm the spellings with you.
Yep.
So it's Tory, and then his last name is Kilborn.
Yes, that's correct.
Right?
Yes. T for Tom, O for Orange, R for Roger, Y for Yellow, K for Kilo, I for Igloo, L for Larry, B for Bob, O for Orange, R for Roger, N for Nelly.
Yes, that's right. Tango, Oscar, Romeo, Yankee, and then it's Kilo, India, Lima, Bravo, Oscar, Romeo, November.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Thank you so much for that. Now, I'm so sorry, but just one last time, I'm going to have to place you on hold again. I just wanted to put in some brief notes, if that's okay, before I finalize your booking.
That's right. No, can I just, before you finalise it, am I able to give you a receipt number from my asylum claim?
for the asylum claim?
Yeah, I put an asylum claim.
Yeah. So for this appointment, they'll be speaking with you about the AVO.
Yeah.
What you can do is when they do call you, you can check with them if they would need that number, and you can give it to them at that point if they need it.
Okay. It just feels to me like no one's acknowledging the seriousness of my exile or my entrapment here, you know. And I've said this for a long time, and it's important because I'm still at risk, you know, and now it's proven, you know.
I understand, and I'm so sorry that you're having to go through that. I will put in a mention. What I can do is I can put in a mention about, is it the asylum claim number?
Yeah, I'll just give it to you now, just if you want to put it in, I'll just get it for you. Why not?
Sure.
It's I'll just find it here. OH. My phone. I've got a broken. Let's see. It's I've actually got a broken phone. I don't have a computer. I don't have money. I don't have anything. I'll just try and find it well. Oh, here it is. I got it. So it's I just saw it. Oh, here it is. Yep. So it's the claim number is I'll just bring it up. It's reference U for under, R for Roger, / U for under, S for Sam, T for Tom, / number 2, number 3, / A for Apple, U for under, S for Sam, / numbers 1, 7.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that. And you said this was an asylum claim number?
Yes, it was sent to the CCPR at OHCHR.org. It's the international. I think it might be the OHCHR. It's got a reference number, and that's the number. I'll just say it again. It's U for under, R for Roger, / U for under, S for Sam, T for Tom, / 223 / A for Apple, U for under, S for Sam, / 1, 7.
All right. Thank you so much for providing that information.
Sure.
Now, what I will do is I will just complete the notes for you. Is it okay if I place you on hold while I do that?
No problems. Thank you.
Thank you. Won't be long. Thank you so much for holding.
That's all right.
Now, I just wanted to check for the 12th, would you prefer a morning appointment or an afternoon appointment?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm happy with either.
I have the earliest is 9 to 9:45.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then
That's fine.
That's fine? Okay. So I'm booking you in for the 12th of May, 9 a.m. to 9:45 a.m.
No, I'm just going to write
Is
this
it
down.
safe?
I'll just find a pen.
Yep.
Hang on.
Yeah, and you'll also receive an SMS and email.
Oh, an
confirmation.
SMS and email. Okay. Which
Yeah,
email will you
that's
send it to? Because I think Richard Draw's stuff is better because I can't access the other one because I haven't paid the bill.
The one I have on here is barondodger@gmail.com.
No, I don't think that's working because I'm so financially abused. I haven't even got enough to pay the Google subscription.
Yeah, no.
Send it
Okay.
to richarddrawsstuff@gmail.com. That would be
Okay,
better.
can you spell that out for me?
Yeah. R for Roger, I for Igloo, C for Charlie, H for Harry, A for Apple, R for Roger, D for Dingo, then
Yeah.
D for Dingo, R for Roger, A for Apple, W for Water, S for Sam, S for Sam, T for Tom, U for Under, F for Fred, F for Fred. So it's 3 words, Richard Draws Stuff with a double D and a double S. Oh, at gmail.com.
Gmail. Okay, so it's R Romeo, I India, C Charlie, H Hotel, A Alpha, R Romeo, D Delta, D Delta, R Romeo, A Alpha, W Whiskey, S Sierra, T Tango, U Uniform, F Foxtrot at gmail.com.
Yes, that's correct, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So, and it's safe for you to receive an SMS reminder as well for this appointment
Yes, it is.
on your mobile?
Yes.
Yep, okay. So I've confirmed that appointment for you for the 12th of May, 9 to 9:45.
Yep.
Now, you will be receiving the call from a private number on the day.
Yep.
So just keep an eye out for that. Other than that, you're all booked in.
Okay, no worries. What can I expect on the day? And is a person being allocated yet, or a name of a person, or?
No, we're not aware of who would be allocated to the case. It
Okay.
depends on who's available at the office.
Yep. Can I ask that lawyer, when the court date happens on the 14th of May, can I get help to make a statement to the court too, please?
Sorry, can you what?
Can I get help to make a statement to the court when the hearing happens? Because I can't submit more evidence because the police officer who's in charge of my case is on leave, so I have more evidence. I'm obstructed from providing anything, and I'm still in danger, so I can't really do anything, And I want to make a statement to the court because I warned my provider that I was unsafe, and they've refused to act. And even though there's the case of the criminal case of the interim domestic violence order, they've still refused to make a report. So they're not upholding their obligations to me.
Yeah, so you may want to check when you speak with the lawyer on the day.
Yep.
You may want to check on how to best proceed given the situation.
Okay, so just explain it to them all on the 12th.
Yeah, so they may be able to provide you with further advice on how you can go ahead.
Okay, no worries. What should I do about... I'm just a bit confused. I don't think you can help me any further. You've done your role accepting the appointment. Thank you for appointing someone.
No, that's with me.
Just quickly, you had my address first in Sadleir, then later in Goulburn. There was a case in Goulburn where I did speak to someone. I think his name was Peter from Legal Aid, and I said I was going to be homeless. They were forcing me again to be homeless. They do this all the time, and he said to me that if I needed help to get off the guardianship with the New South Wales Trustee and Public Guardian, he would help me. And then I emailed him, but he hasn't got back to me. So what I really need also is to get off the public guardianship because they're the ones who've got me trapped in this property where the death threats have happened, and they're refusing to acknowledge me. And I don't want to be on the guardianship. And Peter did offer that he would help me oppose the guardianship, and if I could get help opposing the order so I could have my freedom back, that would be really great.
Right. And do you know which office this was?
Yeah, I can find out. It was just on my email. I'll just have a look. Just bear with me a sec. I think if I Google legal aid, legal. I'll just search for legal aid. I would have the Department of Health. Just bear with me a sec. I'll search for his name, Peter. You would have a record of it. His name is Peter from Legal Aid. Here it is. Is this it? Oh no, this is the one you just sent me. Have you got a record of it on there? Because you would have it on there.
No, I'm not able to see anything. What we can do is, when you get this call, you may want to check with them if they're able to access that record, and if they can provide any information on where that issue reached, if they have any information that was put on the file. They may be able to assist. If they're not, and if they ask you to call us back, you can also do that. But we don't have access to that file.
I'm just wondering why Legal Aid hasn't got access to someone they appointed.
Yeah, so we're law access. We don't have access to
all
of Legal Aid files.
Oh, right. It's a different thing. So who are you? You're law access.
Yeah, part of Legal Aid. But
so it's still part of Legal Aid, is that right?
Yeah. So if there are some appointments that may have been made by their office directly, sometimes we might not have access to it.
Okay. Is there any way to contact Peter from Legal Aid or Law Access regarding that? Because you could look me up by address.
Do you know which office he was from? Which Legal Aid office he was from? What I can do is I can give you the number for Gosford Legal Aid, and you may want to contact them just to see.
That's right. I might just wait. I might just wait till the lawyer contacts me on the 12th.
Okay. Yep.
I hope they're going to be able to intervene for me to make a statement to the court on the 14th, because currently I can't report to the police because the officer's away, and and they're saying I don't need to go to court, and I don't think my provider, the NDIS provider's even going to take me there because they're denying that the whole thing is even existing. They're not willing to.
So you may want to double check when the lawyer contacts you and how to best proceed, and you may want to let them know that you're wanting to give a statement in court and provide more information.
Okay, yep.
So based on that, they may be able to give you
a method to show up and make a statement.
Based on,
okay.
How to go ahead with that. Okay.
That's within my rights, isn't it?
Yeah. You can always check with the lawyer.
Okay. Was this done? Was the legal aid support given to me under the guise of the seriousness of the case, or the fact that I'm disabled, or the exile or asylum? Like what?
It just depends. Legal aid assists with different matters. There are some matters they are able to assist with. So this was one of the matters where legal aid was able to assist, and we booked you in. This is a one-off phone consult, though, for ongoing representation. If that's something you need, you would need to speak with the lawyer as well for that.
Okay, what do you mean by one-off consultation? Like I can't ring back, or?
What it basically means is that if you do need that ongoing assistance, you may need to apply for a legal aid grant.
A legal aid grant, okay. Yeah. Would that be something I could talk to the lawyer about on the 12th?
Yes, you can discuss that with the lawyer as well. If that's something you need, you may want to discuss that with the lawyer.
I think the seriousness of my life being at risk, my entrapment, the stonewalling, and my asylum claim, I think a grant would be warranted, don't you?
I wouldn't be able to say if the grant would be given. It just depends. That's a different team that looks after the grants.
Yeah.
So that's why you may want to wait to speak with the lawyer for that. They would be in a better position to let you know.
I want to thank you for your help today. Is there anything else I can do or information you need in order that I get the help I need?
That's all. that's all. You will just be receiving that phone call on the 12th, and you can take it from there then.
Thanks for your help.
That's okay. All the best. Take
Okay.
care. Bye.